Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a two-round motif which is magic circle, and this magic circles has great utility when used with and customized. Okay, and you can work the same magic circle on your hairbands and rubber bands and whatnot, and these have very great utility in your small and decorative projects too. So let's go into the video to know how to go about this. Chain 16 and slip stitch and join to form a ring. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Slip stitch and join to form a ring. In this ring you'll have to place 36 half double crochets. So chain 1, the first half double crochet, plus stitch marker, it's the best way to work with, and place 35 more half doubles in the ring and get back. I shall also complete and get back. This is the smallest one. It's a 2-round pattern. We have completed the HDCs in the ring, 36 in number. Now slip stitch to the first HDC here, chain 1 and place a single crochet in the same stitch, chain 5, skip 2 and a single crochet in the next. This is a repeat for this pattern. Skip 2, single crochet in the next. So continue all along. I shall meet you at the end of the round. We've come to the end of the round here. Now I have chain 5, slip stitch to the first single crochet and cast on and bind off. Here we have the magic circle. This may appear very simple, simplest of simple, but this has great utility. When the same thing is worked over your headbands, it becomes a beautiful hair ornament. And this can be used for your hair bands too. Okay. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like the small and the tiniest of tiny project. I shall be back with yet another stitch pattern in the next video. Have a great day. Bye for now. I forgot. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not fail to click on the bell icon. You will be notified of all the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos to friends. Bye.